Honor is launching its Magic 7 RSR Porche design flagship. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Honor Magic 7 RSR is coming the camera front with a remarkable periscope camera. The Magic 7 RSR will feature a dual electromagnetic focus motor for class-leading focusing and industry-leading aperture size that will capture more light and details in shots. And it's bringing a 50 megapixel main cam with the OmniVision OV50K sensor. The main camera will be joined by a 200 megapixel periscope sensor with 3x optical and up to 100x digital zoom. The third camera on the back is a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens and with a 2.5 cm macro mode capabilities. But the changes in the periscope module could deliver even better light capture and focusing capabilities. That's all for now and thanks for watching.